Kitchen bathroom install, week 2 of bathroom install, day 1, which is week 4 of the kitchen bathroom install. Got a lovely tube there which goes to the back of the toilet, and the doors off at the moment. Trunking's been upgraded a little bit, just need to have the works done in the corner there. The flooring was poured today. That's a better look at the seat. And the polycarbonate flooring will be going down, I believe, tomorrow, which will be the Tuesday. Things isn't working, and it's done a little bit of that surrounding trim. Not quite the edge there, which I'm worried about, but I'm sure you guys know what they're doing a lot more than what I do. And I did ask about this third and fourth wall, about getting those done the same as the rest of the tiling, considering we managed to put the wrong tiles in the kitchen. So rather than redo the kitchen, but apparently, nope, they're going to redo the kitchen, hack off all the tiles and start again. So I won't be getting tiled throughout in here, but they'll still, I guess, decorate and make good on the walls. So that is day 1, week 2, bathroom install, and day 1 on site. No kitchen works today.